Yo, what up? It's Frosty the Barber here. Today we're gonna be doing the mohawk with the skin fade, the edge, the bleach, the beard design. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna have a good time. Make sure you hit that bell, subscribe to Easy Blade. Make sure you go follow me at Frosty the Barber on Instagram. Skin line on an angle down because we're doing a mohawk. We got the one guard open into the hairline. Then we're gonna go to 1/4 inch down with it closed. Right back up into that hairline. Make sure you got, the line is blurry. You don't want any lines in your fade. Then we're gonna take the one off. We're gonna go to the half, open, blend that bottom line out, that skin line, start blending that into the one. Then we're gonna close the clippers halfway. Again, hit that skin line, blend it back into the half. Then we're gonna close it all the way, blend the skin line out. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to take the T-edger, blend that line out, edge up that side of the head. On to the next. Don't forget to use your box shaver. Make sure that that's bald. It's a blurry fade. It's from skin. Make sure it's skin. Just don't leave it with the T-edger line. We're doing the same thing over here, guys. Same thing as the other side. We're gonna do the skin line. We're gonna drop it down because we're doing the mohawk. Put the one guard on there. One open all the way up into the hairline. One closed all the way up. Go up with the half. Same thing as the other side, guys. Pay attention. Watch the video.
MGD on the beats. MGD on the beats.
Here's where we're gonna get a little creative. We're gonna throw a little design in there, a little shooting star action, maybe a little graffiti action, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna bring it right in, watch the video, enjoy the design. This is how we do it. Right here, we're about to start the bleach process. What you're gonna want to do is mix your bleach together. Make sure you got a guideline around the whole head where you want the bleach to stop. We're gonna pile the bleach on the top of the head, rub it in with our hands, make sure it's even, make sure it looks good, and that's how we do it.
MGD on the beats. MGD on the beats.
Right now, we're gonna take our trusted Easy Blade Shave Gel, the best on the market. You already know. We're gonna rub it into the hairline where we're gonna shave so that we don't pull the hair. Dry shaving, don't do that. Don't dry shave. All you gotta do is go to easybladeshavingproducts.com and order you some shave gel. That's it. It's simple. That's it. And use my discount code, Frosty10. You already know. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the Easy Blade. We're gonna come in, we're gonna edge this dude, we're gonna make his beard look crispy and clean. You already know. It's about time we go around the edge. We hit the edge with the razor. Make sure everything's crispy and clean. Everything's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Now we about to come back through. We're going to hit the design again with the T-edgers. Make sure everything's perfect, crispy, and clean. You know, everything's precise.
MGD on the beats. MGD on the beats.
And there you guys have it. Super crispy clean mohawk with the bleach, the skin fade, the edge, and the design. Yo, one love, Frosty the Barber.